guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be unboxing, well, a ring light, and this is I'm super happy to use this, and this is gonna be super exciting. So let's just get into it. But if you guys watched my last video, you probably know my arm is fractured, so I would be needing my brother's help. Well, most of it is gonna be my brother, but I just want to start by cutting off the tape. Never mind, my brother can do it.
And you can even pop it if you want, if you don't need it.
Okay, one thing about bubble wrap, it's so much fun popping it. Okay, so we also have a stand with that LED light, obviously. I cut the tape, but I would let my brother do the rest because I don't want my arm to get worse. Oh, I forgot it's taped on well, so you gotta rip it.
Oh, okay. And guys, you made a mistake. You're not supposed to cut it from here, which I made a mistake again. Not from here. We do it from here because there's like a tiny hole.
You can use the scissors if you want it on. And cut through this line. And then it's gonna...
I'm just gonna cut this.
Try to use that. Nope, not this one. You know? Yes. Sorry, we got a little distracted with the bubble wrap. And we forgot about the stand. So let's get back to the stand. Continues on.
Oh, this is sort of easy.
You could just take it out the board.
Oh, okay.
Okay, be super careful. Because this is like delicate. There we go. Just cut one end and then you can pull it out.
Oh, okay. I need to cut it out. It's gonna be open for no reason.
Wow, this is nice. By the way, I could also use this for a stand for my camera maybe.
So guys, this is adjustable so we can make it taller or more down. And it's really tall. Okay. Guys, let's move on to the next important thing. The lights. But we see the bottle. Oh, that looks so big.
Yes, more in the background. Okay, I should stop that.
Wow.
Okay, be super careful, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I wanted to take over the job. I'm not going to open these ones because that's for adjusting everything, and I'm not going to do that right now. So I have a plug here, and I'm going to get Azan to plug it. And I would like to show you guys, these are to adjust it, like how bright it should be. You see, it's turning blue because my brother plugged it in. But anyways, look how beautiful this ring light is. Be careful. Look how beautiful this LED light is. Warning! Warning, this is gonna be super, super, super bright. So watch out.
Is it
3, 2, 1, go. It's so gorgeous.
Yeah, I'm just using the camera. Whoa! That looks satisfying.
You know what?
Okay, guys, you can see. So this button, what it does is turn off the light. And this button, what does this do? Doesn't make any brighter. Yeah, this makes it lower bright.
And it makes it lighter.
And this is as light as it can be. And I can turn it off. So there's a big difference. We're gonna put this on stand, but our mom and dad's gonna help us.
So this is it on a stand. You could actually put your camera there, but I don't want to put it there right now because I want to show you guys. And I realized I found this new feature, and I think it's so cool. Ready? The colors change, and I think it's so cool. And here, if you see this, that's where the camera goes. And then you can make it lower and higher, obviously. And today I'm going to be using Azan as my supermodel, so get in here. So also, I wanted to this Bluetooth. You could connect this to your camera, and then all you have to do is hold this in your hand. You can click it, and then it'll change what it's doing. So that's super cool, I think. And I wish I had this earlier because this is so useful for my arts and craft videos. Sadly, I did not have it that time, but now I do, so my edits are gonna be a little better. And like, I really hope I could make nice videos with these beautiful. Okay guys, as you can see the different features, I'm just gonna use my brother as a model here. Now let's start this. Please make some poses, Azan.
Let's start, please.
So this is the blue one. And then here's the orange one. I think this one's really cool.
This is one of the best ones, I think.
And then this one's the white one.
This is the normal. This is
And then
sort
the
of like
blue
blue,
one.
sort of.
I really like this ring light. I think I'll move it like a lot. I mean, use it a lot. So this is like super cool. And I can also put my camera on it, which is so good. And this light works so nicely. And you could always make it less bright if it's in your eyes or if it's not good. And you know what? This is it for this video. So if you did like this video, smash that like button. Don't forget to hit that bell icon too.
And subscribe.
Yes, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
No.
What? What?
Are you guys silly?
Okay, you are.
Bye.